Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Lailani G. Ancheta, 24 years old, single, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I can handle an elderly since I have training before at the hospital. I also know the household chores such as cleaning, washing clothes, cooking.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Lailani. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so why the employer should hire you as their domestic helper?
Hardworking, responsible, respect, loyal, honest.
Okay, so since you're first timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Being avoiding homesickness, I must enjoy my work, focus my work.
Okay, so can you tell me the proper way on how to take care of an elderly person?
For take care of elderly, you must give him or her the medications, vitamins on time, assist their needs, and safety.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I promise I will not do it again.
Any message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job for my family and my future someday. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Lailani, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, madam and sir.